Meaning of Gray's Anatomy.
Gray's Anatomy.
Gray's Anatomy.
Gray's Anatomy.
Gray's Anatomy. Gray's Anatomy is a medical reference book that provides detailed information about the human body's anatomy. It was written by Henry Gray and first published in 1858. The book has been continuously updated and is now in its 41st edition. It includes illustrations and descriptions of the human body's various regions, tissues, organs, and systems. It is widely used as a textbook for medical students, healthcare professionals, and researchers to study and understand the human body's complex anatomy. Overall, Gray's Anatomy is an essential resource for anyone interested in the study of human anatomy.